Okay, guys, lesson 9. So now we're just going to add fractions using common denominators and reduce fractions to simplest terms when necessary. So make them like units and then add. So basically, and I like to write them vertically so I can make equivalent fractions. So when I think of my multiples of 4, I think of 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 7 are 7, 14, 21, and then I know 28. So 28 is going to be my multiple of 4. So that's 28. So that's 28. I wrote that. That's times 7. That's times 7. That's 21 times 4 times 4. That's 4. And 21 plus 4 is 25 eighths. 25 28ths. Can't be reduced. Look at this one. 1/4 plus 9/8. I know 9/8 is improper, but it's okay. We can just leave it as is. I know some of you are thinking 32 because 8 times 4, but a smaller multiple of 8 and 4 is actually 8, because think about it, this is 4, 8, and this is just 8. So I'm going to do this as 8. So I multiplied this by 1, so that's by 1. That's 9, and I do this by 2, and that is by 2. And because 4 times 2 is 8, so that's 2. And this is 11/8, which is equal to 1 and 3/8, and that cannot be reduced. Let's just do one more. Let's do F. So I have 3/4 plus 5/6. Again, multiple. I know you're thinking 24, but let's think of a smaller one. I got 6, 12, 4, 8, 12. Again, this goes back to multiplication facts. Make equivalent fractions. Times it by 3. Times it by 3. Times it by 3 because 4 times 3 is 12. So that's, excuse me, that's 2. That's 10. So that will give me 19/12, which is 1 and 7/12. Alright, let's look at another problem. Okay, Jackie brought 3/4 of a gallon of iced tea to the party. Thanks, Jackie. That was very nice of you. Bill brought 7/8 of a gallon of iced tea to the same party. Holy shnikey, these people love to drink their iced tea. I'd prefer iced coffee, but that's okay. You know, no hard feelings. So I'm basically going to add this. I'm going to add 3/4 plus 7/8. Denominator is 8, because that's my least common multiple. Times it by 2, times it by 2, that's 6. 1, 1. So I get 13/8, which is equal to 1 and 5/8 gallons of iced tea. All right, anything else? Nope. Okay, guys. Take a look at the flow chart. Get going. Bye.